In today's video, we're going to provide you with the location of the fuel pump fuse and fuel pump relay for your 2004 to 2005 Ford F-150. As you're probably aware of already, Ford doesn't mention fuel pump in the fuse section of the owner's manual for this year range of F-150, making finding this fuse very frustrating. No worries. We did a bit of extra research to determine the exact location of the fuel pump fuse and relay. In order to locate the fuse box, locate the passenger side front kick panel. The fuse box is located under the access panel. Remove the access panel to reveal the fuse box. Since the owner's manual is missing this information, we need to get our hands on a good quality set of wiring diagrams for this vehicle. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. So first thing we need to do is go to our wiring diagram and identify the fuel pump relay. So we've got that shown to you here on the screen. And now we are on the load side of this relay. And the primary load power feed for this relay is going to be shown here by this off-page connector B. So when this relay gets energized and this switch closes, this B signal is going to be responsible for sending power to the inertia switch and the fuel pump. So let's go to the second page of this wire diagram and determine which fuse, in fact, is powering this B off-page connector. Now we're on the second page of our wire diagram, and we have the off-page connector B identified here. And if we look up, we see that fuse number 34, a 20 amp fuse, is in fact the fuse that is powering the fuel pump. So although the owner's manual didn't do us any favors, we did a bit of research and we've determined that fuse number 34 is the fuse that powers the fuel pump for this particular year range of F-150. Do us a huge favor right now. If this information just helped you out, smash that like button and that subscribe button for us. We'd really appreciate it. The fuel pump fuse is a 20 amp fuse. It is number 34 on the diagram. The actual physical location of the fuse is shown in the picture. There are multiple components powered by this fuse, to include the fuel pump, fuel injectors, and PCM power. The fuel pump relay position is shown in the picture. The fuse is considered non-serviceable by Ford and is actually soldered to the circuit board. If you're concerned that either your fuse or relay is bad and might be an issue, please see the links to our other videos and playlists down in the description below for further assistance. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.